It's designed to deliver big thrills for the family, and for who? For the family, yes.
Carol,
What?
where are we today?
We are at SeaWorld San Antonio for the opening day of Barracuda Strike, which we are standing under right now. And I think
it's about to drop.
it's about to drop.
There they go.
Oh my God. That first drop is probably my favorite. You feel like you're going to go right into the water. It's such a pretty view. I recommend front row, FYI,
Yes.
and back row.
Back row is really fun.
Yeah. But
They're back. Oh, they're coming back around.
let's wave.
Hopefully this is a good shot. I can't see the screen. But yes, we're here for opening day of Barracuda Strike.
Yeah.
We did get in for the Passport to Thrills this morning, so we're going to throw it to there now. So let's go. It's early in the morning, Carol. Are you ready? I already got my coffee finished. But yes, we're here to do an early ride time of Barracuda Strike. We got these very cool looking socks.
They're really cute. They have these like little barracudas on them. Barracuda Strike. They even have the barracuda on the bottom.
Alright, hopefully this is coming out really good. I know. Your hair was like...
Oh my gosh. We rode it how many times? Like five or six times, I feel like, in a row. And
during early morning for the Passport to Thrills, just because there was like no one in line.
yeah, we had a great time at the Passport to Thrills. Yeah, there was nobody in line, so we were just kind of riding over and over and over. There were a couple times I forgot to put my hair up, so I'm going to pay for that tonight when I'm brushing my hair. But it was so fun. What do you think, Randall?
Oh, it was great. So it really like went over my expectations of what this ride was gonna do.
Yeah.
Just because like I watched some POVs of Phoenix Rising and I'm like, it doesn't look like it's gonna be that intense, but once you get on it, it's kind of, I want to know if I would call this a family ride. It's still a family ride, don't get me wrong there, but definitely go ride Wavebreaker first and then maybe upgrade to this one right here.
Yeah, it's kind of like right in between like a low intensity family ride and then like the high intensity thrill ride. It's like a really sweet spot. I really enjoyed it. It's probably one of my new favorite rides here at the park. Even though I love a good thrill, this is a high, I feel like this is a high thrill, but on like a more, I don't even know how to describe it, y'all. It's just really good.
Yeah,
there's no inversions, but
but that first drop you come down, I think it's compared to the other kind of rides just like this, it has the longest drop and faster. But yeah, it zips you through it. Yeah, there's great theming to it as well.
Great theming. I love that you're coasting like over the water in like several points, and the water is beautiful. It's like this beautiful blue color too. So, yeah, super enjoyable.
Go through the barnacles as well.
Yeah, go through the barnacles. There's some audio that's happening, you know, in your ear. It's kind of giving this nice effect. It is a little shaky, but I noticed it the first time we rode. But honestly, it didn't bother me.
Yeah, I don't think it takes away from the ride.
No.
They do have some lights in there right now. That was one of the things I wanted was they don't have any on-ride lights, but they do have lights in the coral. So during a night ride, that's going to look very nice.
Yeah. Overall, really enjoyable.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got to do this.
A great addition to SeaWorld San Antonio.
Absolutely. I also love that the lakeside bar is like so close to it. I don't know, it kind of creates a nice little view for the lakeside bar. They get a nice view of this coaster and also a view of the lake at the same time. Yeah.
But now that we've ridden it a couple of times, just getting some B-roll, now we're going to go to the opening ceremony.
I think the ride closed at like 10.
Yeah,
and
10.
The opening ceremony starts at 11. So we have some time. But we have some friends here as well, so we're gonna hang out with them for a little bit and chat, and and then the ride's gonna open officially, and yeah, it's a very exciting day.
Here you can get some nice socks. Here I showed ours off. Then also they have some nice pastries over here. They got muffins, danishes, and coffee. See, Carol, we didn't have to go to Starbucks. We just could have gotten coffee here. Oh, and also drinks. Yeah, Coke, Sprite, and water. Oh, orange juice. Might get one of those. Swizzy, you're taking advantage of all the free food and stuff.
I'm considering if I want more or not. They said they're going to throw it all out, so I grabbed as much as I could. Yeah. It's open for anybody. Go get it.
All right. We already got some this morning, so.
Yeah, well, I definitely can't film anymore now. It's like not happening. Something in your pockets? Oh yeah. It'd be good.
It is a good day to be alive and a good day to be at SeaWorld San Antonio because today we're opening Barracuda Strike. Now, it is officially the tallest inverted family coaster in all of North America. We're so excited to have it right here at SeaWorld San Antonio. March, we celebrate Women's History Month, and we wanted to acknowledge some of the ladies, some of the women who were responsible, played key roles in the production of Barracuda Strike. First, I'd like to introduce to you Diana Bonelli. Now, Diana is the Director of Design and Engineering. Diana, come on over here. Diana is the Director of Design and Engineering. She was out here every day working with contractors and engineers and architects to bring this thing to life. We have some other amazing ladies. We have Lise Collins, our Vice President of Operations. Melanie Ford, Director of Operations. They head up the teams that actually run the rides. They actually teach these ride operators how to safely operate the ride. They do an amazing job, so you'll see them and their team as you go through Barracuda Strike. Also like to introduce my friend Stephanie Izaguirre. Where are you at, Stephanie? Now, Stephanie is one of the leaders in our marketing department, so when you see television commercials and social media posts, when you see our beautiful logo, anything that has to do with the graphics and the creative design of Barracuda Strike, Stephanie is responsible for that. She's been working very, very hard, and we appreciate her. But enough talking. It is time to do the honors and cut the ribbon. We're going to ask our lady leaders to come up here and our future lady leaders to come on up here. Okay, our community of San Antonio, please come together as we open our ride in 3, 2, 1. It's open!
Sierra. Hi, Elaine. Oh, Carol's sleepy again.
So sleepy.
But that's all for the Barracuda Strike opening day at SeaWorld San Antonio.
Yeah.
So fun. Such a great addition to SeaWorld San Antonio here.
Yeah. My hair's gonna pay for it, man.
But yeah,
But worth it.
yeah, definitely worth it. Definitely, if you're in the area, come check it out.
Yeah.
If you like roller coasters.
Yeah.
But with that, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It does help it out. And until next time, don't forget to hydrate, and we'll see y'all. Bye. I almost died.
You didn't see it.
I tripped over something.